India is tech powerhouse, home to some of the world's best engineers and software developers. We have third largest startup ecosystem and booming IT industry. So why we haven't built AI model like DeepSeek, OpenAI, ChatGPT or Google Gemini's? It is a matter of time or there are deeper challenges holding us back. Let's break it down. DeepSeek is China answer to ChatGPT. It's a powerful AI language model that can generate text, code, even reason through problems. China built it to reduce dependency on Western AI models and strengthen its own AI ecosystem. But if China can do it, why can't India? To build a model like DeepSeek, you need mind-blowing amount of computing power. These AI models run on thousands of high-performance GPU and TPU. For example, OpenAI GPT-4 reportedly required 25,000 NVIDIA A100 GPUs for training. That is insane amount of hardware and India simply doesn't have that kind of infrastructure yet. India doesn't manufacture its own AI chips, so we depend on foreign supplies like Nvidia and AMD. And guess what? There's a global chip shortage making things even harder. The next challenge is data. DeepSeek was trained on vast amount of Chinese language data, which China is strictly controlled. The US has massive data sets in English, so OpenAI and Google can train their model easily. But India is multilingual country with 22 official language and over 1600 dialects. Training an AI that understands all of them is a massive challenge. High quality structured data sets in Indian language are limited and without good data, even the best AI model won't work well. India has shortage of AI talent. We produce some of the world's best engineers, but here's the problem. Most of them work for Google, Microsoft, Meta, or even Chinese tech firm. Top AI researchers leave India because foreign companies offer better fundings, research opportunities, and salaries. We are great at software service but lag in core AI research. Countries like China, the US, and even EU invest billion in AI research while India is still catching up. Let's talk money. AI is expensive. The US and China pour billions in AI development. DeepSeek, for example, was funded by Chinese tech giant and backed by the government. In India, most AI research happen in private startup, and while we have some government initiative, they are nowhere near scale of China AI funding. Without heavy investment, we can't expect to build world-class AI model. Another big issue, dependency on foreign technology. The US and China manufacture their own AI chips. Nvidia, Google, and Huawei design custom hardware for AI training. But India, we don't make our own AI processor. We rely on imports, which slows us down and increase the cost. News is that India is working on these. Companies like Tata and Vedanta are starting semiconductor manufacturing, but it will take at least 5 to 10 years before we see result. China has huge advantage. It controls its own internet and data. This means companies like DeepSeek can train AI on the massive amount Chinese data without restriction. But in India, AI development is trickier. We have a stricter data privacy law and concern about AI ethics. While this is good for privacy, also means AI companies can just scrap massive amount of data without facing legal issue. So, can India build DeepSeek level AI model? The short answer is yes, but it won't happen overnight. We need solve multiple challenges. First, build large AI supercomputers in India. Create massive database in Indian language. Retain AI talent and fund more AI research. Invest in semiconductor manufacturing to reduce GPU dependency. Government support and funding to push AI innovation. What we did with ISRO, we built low-cost space program that stunned the world. If we apply the same focus and investment to AI, India can absolutely build its own DeepSeek.